morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Now, I want to show you what I have from last night, the things I have made. So here we go. My egg holder, sort of kind of functional. My taco holder, very functional, I hope. I haven't used it yet. And my incense holder, and just a little bowl I made on the wheel. And this is the first thing I made. It was supposed to be like a representation of the Jamaican flag, black, green, and gold. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm very proud of it. And so yeah, that's that. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast, light breakfast. No oil, it's just veggie, and I'm putting this Spanish chorizo. Toss it, it's on low, no oil, and I'm gonna leave this here for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we come back and check on it. See what's going on. Not bad, not looking bad at all. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast of champions. I am out in the street walking with my big boy, and hopefully I can get some bread, sweet bread or something to eat. Let's see. Woo! He's pulled me just to get to the bird. Handy, no. Handy, no. No, Handy. I like this weather, but can I bring the weather inside the house? Because inside the house is cold. Oh, what a night! I'm going to ceramic class after a long day, sort of. Today was a good day. Every day is a good day for new beginnings. So I'm going to ceramic class tonight, and then after that come back home and we're out again. Let's go.
This needs to be open.
Orderly.
It's a lot of material, so.
I don't think it's a lot because it's going to shrink. Orderly.
Let's have the material to spread and not using that much force. You will work in one way, then in the other, then again this way, then in the other. And if you see that it's not getting round and it's spreading, you will work more in the short side. Like now, this needs to grow. And you will try to make it as round as you can.
Okay.
With that. No es tan difícil, nada más que sí es mucho material. Por eso sí es importante la masada. Y como queda sólido, antes de que vuelques, sí es importante que la masada sea como más fuerte y más precisa. ¿Lo vas a hacer con cortes?
Sí, porque está muy grandotote.
Te ayudo ahorita con esa parte. Ya le diste tú algunas varias, ya le quitaste como ahorita le ayudamos a ya no que desaparezcan todas. Está chévere, ¿no? Y de hecho esta técnica es bastante sencilla. Pero sí hay que asegurarse mucho de los dibujitos.
It's like a carpet, no? Wow.
Very few in this side.
Wow. He keeps all the secrets to himself.
This is just for the ending.
For the what?
For the ending, when you have the straight black, you can do this, but in the beginning, it will just get without shape.
O sea, ¿tú quieres como diferente?
Pues no, más bien me salieron con diferentes formas.
No me preocupa ahorita, estos dos ya los abriste mucho más que no me lo podría poner a pasar como estos.
El primero me gustó más, entonces yo creo que va más para
Ok,
más hacia adelante.
Órale.
Pero
se ve bien la forma. Vamos para la parte de atrás. Vamos a hacer una camita.
Lucha Libre.
Yo no esa empieza como casting, pero si empiezas a apachurrar, como decimos por ejemplo, todo lo del frente se te va a tocar. Pasos son los dientes de aquí. Vas a hacer movimientos largos en la boca, a quitarle toda esa orilla. Y das así un lado y después te vas con el espalda contrario. Vamos a empezar.
Hola, hola.
Y aunque queda rayado, casi también está puro. Cuando acabes la pura forma que está rayadito, le vamos a pasar una esponja y entonces ya no queda todo redondo. Y eso va a ser de la llanta de chica.
Made this for the oven. It's a bacon thingy. We'll see what it turns out in the end. And we end the night here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.